Laverne homeowners, talk about a crazy time. So if you're looking for the most up-to-date information, look no further. This is the monthly market update for the month of May for the city of Laverne. So the reason why I'm saying it's a crazy time is because of the absorption rate. So the hot headline, I should say, or I would like to share with you if you haven't already heard, is the lack of inventory. Nowhere is this truer than Laverne. Right now in Laverne, we have 13 houses for sale. That's it. Condos, Marshall Canyon Estates, everything in between. Only 13 properties. Coming back to the lack of inventory, that's causing an extremely skewed view on what's happening with the market, because quite frankly, we just don't have enough supply to meet the demand for current owners. And so when I'm looking at the absorption rate, which is definitely like the temperature gauge of what's happening, if we're calling it a seller's market or a buyer's market, a seller's market is going to be 4 to 6 months of inventory. Right now we have 3 weeks of inventory. So that's the lowest that I've seen. It's actually 0.6 to be exact, 0.68. That's the lowest that I've seen. I've been tracking stats in the San Gabriel Valley since like 2018. So I mean that's a big deal, because if you're a seller, if you're a homeowner considering a move, you have to be you don't have to be confident. You can be confident that there's a ton of demand for inventory right now. Ton of demand for properly priced homes. Sure, homes are taking longer to sell. Right now, it's taking on average 29 days to sell a home in Laverne. Compared to this time last year, it was 15 days. So it's taking double the amount of time to sell, but the thing is that they're selling. They're selling, and not only are they selling, but they're selling at, on average, 4% above the asking price of their most recent list price. That doesn't mean if you overprice a house, you're going to sell it for 4% beyond that. Those days are gone. That's 2020, 2021. But right now, if it's within reason, it's going to sell, and then you're going to have multiple offers on it. So I'm definitely observing multiple offers in all cities locally, Laverne as well. The median sales price right now is $976,500 compared to last year, which I thought was surprising. It's only down 0.3%. So last year it was $978,500. This year $976,500. So that's a wash from my perspective year over year, which is great. I did another study in Glendora, and for this same time frame, and Glendora is down 5%. So have confidence again if you're a homeowner thinking about making a move, downsizing, what have you. There's plenty of demand out there, even with the interest rates doing what they're doing. So in the last 30 days, unfortunately, the market has gone a little haywire again. So we're interest rates above 7% for about the last week and a half. So not good at all. Things have finally came back below the 7% range, but we're at like 6.9% according to Mortgage News Daily. That's high compared to last year. Last year was at 5.5%. Buyers, if you're considering a purchase in Laverne, all of those things that I just shared, that's all very pros homeowner, right? But at the end of the day, if you're looking for a very desirable area, it is what it is right now. I think you got to bite the bullet. You got to jump in, and in the event that rates do eventually go down, which again, all indications are pointing towards that, then you can refi down the road. But if, let's say, rates don't go down, well, now you have a great home in a great area, and that should provide some sort of benefit to you. Questions, comments? I mean, if you have any situation that you would like to talk through, I'm more than happy to jump on a call and talk about those. But otherwise, I hope you found this of great value. Thanks so much for watching.